Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is assignment, science assignment. Today we will discuss about our science assignment. Look at here, our today's topic is different shapes of leaves. This is an assignment. You have to do this assignment. Different shapes of leaves. And this is lecture number 15. And our SW number is 30 number HW. So dear students, let's start the class. Look at here students, I have drawn here leaves. Different shapes of leaves. This is our assignment topic. It will be our assignment topic. When you will do this assignment, you have to use A4 size paper for this assignment, and the top of this page you have to write down the assignment topic. Assignment topic name is different shapes of leaves, and after that you will write here small leaves. Small leaves. Here is from small leaves I have drawn here rose leaves. This one is rose leaves and here is mint leaves. You will draw like this and you have to color this also, and you will write the name of these leaves. This is rose leaves and this is mint leaves, and this section is small leaves, rose leaf and mint leaf. And now here is you will write here big leaves. From big leaves I have drawn here banana leaf. You will draw this leaf and you have to color this also. And here I have drawn here lotus leaf. Here is lotus leaf. You will draw these leaves and you have to color these leaves, and you have to write here the name of these leaves. This one is banana leaf and this one is lotus leaf, and these two leaves are big leaves. They are big leaves, and rose leaves, mint leaves, they are small leaves. Students, this is your assignment. Okay, now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 30 number HW, and this HW will be your Eid vacation HW, and this is an assignment. This is assignment, and the name of this assignment is different shapes of leaves. Different shapes of leaves, and you have to do this assignment on A4 size paper. A4 size paper, and the submission date of this assignment is 29/5/2021. 29/5/2021. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. So dear students, do your assignments properly and submit your assignment on this date. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.